Hello students, I am Purnima Jha from Rewords English Academy. I am present here to teach you a first lesson of English, parts of speech. As I have written here parts of speech and their kinds. Everyone should know these parts of speech. If you want to clear your academic exam, if you want to clear your entrance exam, you must know these parts of speech. It is very important parts of English. It's every parts play the important role for their English. If you want to get success in your life, if you want to get good English, perfect English, you must know these parts of speech. I'm gonna clear here one by one their function and what is this. Okay? So number one, noun. Noun, what is the noun? Already you know very well. Noun is the name of person, place or things. But I'm gonna tell you one thing, that is name. Only name, whatever it comes in your front of you, that is name. Name is the noun. You should just remind it, only name, whatever, it can be table, it can be person, it can be place, whatever name will come, that is a noun. Noun is known as the naming words. Till then clear here? Next one, pronoun. Pronoun is the substituting words. Substituting words means that this is the substitute of noun. Pronoun is the substitute of noun, means that absence of noun, pronoun will work for the noun. Means that the pronoun is substitute of noun. Clear here? That's why it's known as substituting words. Next one, adjective. Adjective is the qualifying words. Qualifying means that it qualifies noun and pronoun. Both means that it will qualify noun and pronoun, what it works, how it works. Adjective. Adjective work for the noun and pronoun. As you see here, adjective is also working for the noun and pronoun. Next one is the verb. Verb is saying words. Saying words mean that in the previous class you have read that this is the action words known as action words and doing words also. So you can use here doing words. In the further video I will give you this the parts and their sections and what they work, how they use. First form, second form, third form, fourth form and fifth form, where we will use these forms. Okay, that's why it's known as qualifying. It qualifies the noun and pronoun. Next one is the adverb. By the name you can understand this is the adverb means something adding in a verb, or it's known as modifying words. It is known as modifying words. Means that it modifies every parts of a speech. Every parts of a speech it may modify except noun, pronoun and interjection. These three accepted. Otherwise it modifies every one parts of the speech. Next one is the preposition. It's also known as the governing words. Words that govern. Where is the noun? Where is the pronoun? It shows the position. Pre, pehle, then position, place. So preposition is the governing words. It's showing the place of noun and pronoun. It's clear. Next one is the conjunction. By the name you can understand conjunction. It's known as the connector. Connector means that it's connecting the words, sentences, clauses. Clear here? That's why it's known as a connector. Next one is the interjection. Interjection means that it is the saying words. It's a speaking words that will speak, like we can't touch, we can't see, it can be only feel. That's why it's known as the interjection. A speaker. Okay, so I think so I have completed this video. Next one I'll go with this one by one. I will complain one by one to every topic. Then bye bye.